Hello everyone, this is the Chef School channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a quick and versatile recipe for chicken drumsticks. This can be done when you're out of time and looking to prepare something quick, without much thinking and few products. You can swap the drumsticks for thighs if you prefer. All you have to do is take the drumsticks and oil them, then add some seasonings like salt, black pepper, and some of your favorite spices can be added here. Options are limitless. You can swap the flavor profile every time you cook this recipe. Just experiment and you can even find some new flavors you like. Pair the drumsticks with any salad or side dish, potatoes, rice or noodles. Mix the seasonings with the chicken very well and spread flat on a tray lined with parchment paper. Cook in preheated oven at 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. Once you place the tray in the oven, just lower the temperature of the oven to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. This way, we can keep the chicken more tender and very moist. It will take about 20 minutes depending on the size of the meat. To check the readiness of the chicken, use a thermoprobe and the inside of the chicken next to the bone should be about 64 Celsius at least or 147 Fahrenheit. Then take out and serve. If you don't have a thermoprobe, you can use a small paring knife. Just stick it into one piece and hold for about 3 seconds. Then take it out and touch the bottom of your lip. If you find that the knife is hot enough to feel a gentle burn, then the meat is ready. That is everything for this recipe. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let me know in the comments if I have missed something and I'll try to answer as quick as possible.